Welcome back. You're tuned in to Bazaar Morning Call. Well, it's that part of the show when Hormaz joins us to tell us about all those big movers in trade yesterday and some of them that were backed with delivery-based buying. Hormaz, morning.
Morning, Nigel. And new listings continue to garner attention. And one such name yesterday was Tenneco Clean Air. Made a very clean debut as well. It's a 27% surge from its issue price. Ended well over 20% higher as well. And it was among the top contributors to the NSE turnover in yesterday's trading session. Shares worth well over 5,000 crores that were traded on its listing day. And over 10 crore shares were traded, out of which around 4.5 crore shares were marked for delivery. Now, Venus Remedies was one of such movers. It has gained in 8 out of the last 9 trading sessions now, and in this 9-day period, the stock has risen almost 50%. And yesterday's session saw around 8 lakh shares traded. The 20-day average here is less than 90,000 shares. So gains on very strong volumes. And out of those 8 lakh shares, close to 3 lakh shares were marked for delivery. Here too, the 20-day average is just around 33,500 shares, and the stock has more than doubled already in 2025. IT stocks were in the outperformers yesterday. LTTS led that charge with a gain of around 8 to 9%. There was close to 12 lakh shares were traded. The 20-day average here is less than 70,000 shares. HCLTech also saw volumes that were 3x its 20-day average. Coforge saw volumes higher than its 20-day average. And even on the delivery front, almost 2.5 lakh shares of LTTS marked for delivery. The 20-day average is only 41,000. And for HCLTech and for Coforge as well, the delivery volumes higher than their 20-day average. Of course, IT stocks will continue to remain in the spotlight today as well after Nvidia's results. And lastly, Avanti Feeds and all of these potential US trade beneficiaries are continuing to move higher on anticipation of that deal. The 5th straight day of gains yesterday for the stock has gained in 6 out of the last 7 sessions. Now, the volumes yesterday were the highest in 2 months. More than 1 crore shares were traded, almost 1.5 crore. The 20-day average is 4.9 lakh shares, but even out of those 1.5 crore, only 16 lakh shares were marked for delivery. The 20-day average here is only 1.5 lakh.
All right.